Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration options available on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Following that, tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on ring. This way, you will disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate on silent to disable or enable vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll all the way down. Tap on haptics and tones, and tap on this switcher next to system haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!